Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would like to write a program that replaces a substring with another substring using the replace function. So this is what we are going to do. For example, my string is Reza Shahin, and I tell the Python that I would like to change Reza in my Reza Shahin string, and I want to replace it with, for example, John. Okay. And now I would expect the Python to return me John Shahin. So one more time. This is my original string. Then I tell Python that I would like to replace Reza with John. And then I expect to see the output John Shahin. So to do that, I'm having my enter a string message to the user, and then whatever the user is going to enter is going to store in text. So this part is my text variable. So this is my text variable equals Reza Shahin string. Then we are showing another message to the user, enter the substring to replace. And we are going to assign it in old substring variable. So old substring variable equals Reza. So this is Reza that we want to change. Then we are going to show another message to the user saying that enter a new substring, and this is going to be stored in new substring variable. So this is John is my new substring, and finally we are going to use the replace function to print John Shahin instead of Reza Shahin. To do that, I use the print function as always to show the output. Then I type down the name of the original variable string. This is the text. Then I type down the name of the string, the name of the function, which is replace. Sorry. So replace here, I'm having it. Okay. So far I type down the name of my variable, which is text, and then I call the replace function. But in parentheses, there are two arguments to mention, one before the comma and one after the comma. The one that is before the comma, we need to type down the old substring, and after the comma, we need to type down the new substring. So I want the old substring to be replaced with the new substring. So the one that we want to change is the left hand side of the comma, and the one that we want to be replaced, to inserted in our string, is on the right side. So when I run this code, it asks me to enter a string. So I would say Reza Shahin, this is my string. So enter the substring to replace. So which part of this string I would like to change? I would like to change the part that says Reza. Then it says, okay, what do you want to put instead of Reza? I would say John, okay? And then it returns me John Shahin in the output. So I use the name of my variable, which is text, then dot replace function. So I call the replace function with two arguments, okay? The first argument before the comma is the argument that I want to be eliminated, and after comma is the argument that I want to be inserted. So these are two arguments. So the first part is the part that I want to be eliminated, and after that I type down the variable, the string that I want to be inserted. Thank you for watching.